there, it's Tony Vassallo, the founder of Moto Nutrition and the Real Food Revival Movement. It's a pleasure to be part of the Food Addiction Summit, and I'm preparing cauliflower rice. That's right, cauliflower rice. It's all the rage, and rightly so. It makes a great replacement for rice, and it's another way to sneak in some vegetables and not tell anybody. Now, you can get it at the store, or in the produce section, or in the freezer section, but why not make it yourself? And I'm going to show you a really easy way to do it using the fruit process. So we got our cauliflower in there, lovely florets. You want them relatively small, depending on the size of your food processor. I have a small food processor, so let's get these nuggets of goodness in there. So depending on how much you need, you might need to do this in 2 or 3 batches. I think I can sneak in one more. All right, let's get the lid on. And what we want to do is pulse it, so we avoid getting it in too creamy. We want it the consistency of rice, hence cauliflower rice. All right, so we'll pulse away. Look at that. All right, let's get that in our bowl and get a better look. Let's put this aside. Now, one of the things I sometimes do, I'm making it very simple today, but sometimes I'll add some mint or even some jalapeno peppers, but we're just going to make it simple. All right, so that's your cauliflower rice. As you can see, it's the consistency of rice, and we're going to cook that up in just a minute. And we're going to make some salmon to go along with that cauliflower rice. I'm going to show you my simple technique for making salmon. I'm going to pan sear it in a saute pan and then finish it in the oven, because we always need some protein to go with our meals. We got a beautiful piece of salmon and my spice mixture. Salmon. So what we're going to do is first put it skin side down. All right, obviously, and I'm using a dry saute pan. The salmon in itself will release its natural oils. Put that away. That's going to sear. Okay, let's turn this over. There we go. And we will sear the other side. So again, I'm not going to cook this all the way through. I'm just going to sear it on both sides, and then we'll finish it on the oven. And turn it over. Oh, look at all that nice caramelization going on. Okay, all 4 sides are done. We're just going to get our pan. I'm going to put it skin side down and finish it off in the oven. Ready to prepare our cauliflower rice. Now, for the cauliflower rice, you can certainly have it raw, but I'm going to show 2 techniques. One in the microwave, and another one where I'm just going to saute it with a little bit of turmeric. You can put some seasoning with the microwave version too, but I'm just going to keep that one nice and simple. So let's switch over to the cooking cam. This is the cauliflower rice that we prepared earlier in the food processor, and we're just going to put some into a microwave safe bowl, because we are putting it into the microwave. saute pan that has been heated up. It might be a little hot, so let's get the butter into the pan here and some cauliflower. And we're just going to saute. Turmeric and cauliflower make a great combination. You just need a little bit. That's about a quarter teaspoon. Put that aside. Come on, I can already smell it. Okay, you get this really vibrant yellow orange. This off with a tiny bit of olive oil. I like to finish this way. That way, keep the flavor of the olive oil. Oh, we do want to pinch. Well, that's all right. And that does smell good. A little garlic in the equation. We got some garlic. All right. Okay, that's done. We're gonna plate this up. Okay, let me 1 second up, and we will get this over here, and we'll put the salmon on top. Oh, that smells good. We got the turmeric, the garlic, and a pinch of salt in there, and obviously you can add some other herbs or seasonings as you wish. Let's put that aside. Some lemon juice. Let's see with some lemon juice. Oh, it smells good. And I got some of that pre-chopped garlic, as much or as little as you want. And we're just going to spread that over. Those last little bits up there. All right. Himalayan salt on those carrots. And we have a dish. All right, so we have seared salmon with my spice medley of smoked paprika, oregano, onion and garlic flakes, salt and pepper. The base is turmeric cauliflower rice and just some steamed carrots. Bon appetit!